Hello, today I'm going to show you the Dewalt DW511. This is a hammer drill variable speed reversing with 7.8 amps with 46,000 blow per minute in a hammer drilling option under no load, maximum speed about 2700 R.P.M. and the package include the depth rod with the side hand, metal side hand, metal side hand. Also, it includes the key chuck, the chuck key with the holder band. Over here we have a top finger trigger. This is a variable speed electronic speed. Over here we have a dial for directional rotating to the left, rotating to the right. This is a hold your button, push the trigger, push up the holder, push trigger again. The holder button returns to the original position, and over here we have a dial to the normal drilling and hammer drilling. Normal drilling, hammer drilling. That's a good one. We have to connect the cord and the receptacle to prove. Yeah. And check the two finger trigger. Thanks for watching.